Hi, welcome to Money Making Charts. Today we are going to present the latest market update. But before I do that, let me give you an overview of what Money Making Charts is all about. My name is Jeff. I'm a 30-year veteran trader and researcher. Over the years, I have taken the elliptical cycle phenomenon hinted at by W.D. Gann and George Bayer to an entirely new level. I won't spend time expanding on this since you have come here to view the latest market update, but if you go to moneymakingcharts.com, you can see examples of money making charts and how they can help traders dramatically improve trading performance. The good news is you can try money making charts for 30 days absolutely free. And if you like what you see, for a limited period, we've reduced monthly subscriptions by 50%, now only $29.50 monthly. Thanks for listening. Now the latest money making chart. Today I'd like to demonstrate how points in our cycles can accelerate the market at extraordinary speed, and they will cover great distances in a short space of time. In this chart we have corn. Just a few weeks ago, it was actually early July we're looking at, and we have, let's demonstrate the market first of all down here and then point out these points. They exist in the future. All the points in the cycles are in the future. This is in the future, this is in the future. And they create points where the market can be. Not necessarily that they will be, but they can be. Corn was at this point here, and this new cycle head was here. And because this new cycle has to be here, the market just simply raced up. Now, we wouldn't necessarily have had a signal in our money-making charts to go long here necessarily. However, there was some points here. We had this blue dot, a pivot point, and another longer term pivot point here. So it's possible we could have taken a punt and gone long. However, when the market raced up to here, we then were within striking distance of this point. Now these are extremely powerful points because they happen to be the halfway points of the cycles, and they are very powerful attraction zones, so the markets, when they get close to them, can easily reach them. But more importantly probably is that the center axis of the cycle are force lines, very powerful force lines. When they slope down, they can very often drag a market down. So price in this zone here had to be a very, very good short opportunity with a good risk-reward ratio. I say good risk-reward ratio because this red line is the upper limit of the cycle, so price should not move above this line. And if it does, then we can quickly get out and we haven't lost an awful lot. But the potential is quite high because we would expect price to fall at least halfway down this line to this support line here, maybe just to this line, but still we can get in very close to this point, and we've got a good chance of getting a good short trade. Well, the market fell much, much steeper than we expected. Quite surprising, with huge gaps. However, we didn't need to be too worried about our short, and we certainly would have exited at this point here, or maybe taking a punt to go a little bit lower. This was a lock limit day, so one might have said, well, highly likely we will get another down day, but whatever. The potential turned out to be a short trade from here. I mean, one should have got in around 605 to maybe the high was about 612, I think, from memory. So somewhere in this area, and you could have held that down to 540, say, maybe a little bit lower. So this is a good example of how points in our cycles exist into the future, and since we know them, we know that there's always a chance that price will go to meet these points. That's all for today. I add a new update most days showing market situations that I think you will find interesting. But why not take advantage of our free 30-day trial? That way you will see multiple markets updated daily and judge if money-making charts can improve your trading performance. To get your free trial now, go to www.moneymakingcharts.com. Thanks for listening. Money Making Charts is an educational service designed to teach traders to interpret the multiple trading tools in the charts. All information is provided for demonstration and educational purposes, not for trading purposes or advice. This is not a solicitation of any order to buy or sell, but is a market view provided by Money Making Charts. Please read the following disclaimer.